Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very tasty veg rice variety, Paneer Matar Pulav. Paneer Pulav with green peas. It's very healthy. I usually serve it along with some onion raita and papad. For non-vegetarians, next recipe will be definitely a non-veg recipe. So let's get started. Long basmati rice I am taking 1 3/4 cup. Here I am taking half cup of fresh green peas. Paneer. We need 2 cups of crumbled paneer. This paneer I will crumble later. 2 chopped onions, 1 tomato chopped and 4 green chilies chopped. Next we need crushed ginger and garlic, 1 medium sized ginger and 6 cloves of garlic I have taken. So let's begin with preparing masala for this Paneer Matar Pulav. Heat 1 1/2 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Oil has heated up. Let's add all these chopped veggies into this. Green chilies, crushed ginger and garlic. Sauteing it for 1 to 2 minutes just to get rid of the raw taste. Adding chopped onions into this. Sauteing it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add chopped tomatoes into this. Wait until tomatoes will become mushy and soft. So these are all soft and mushy. Now let's add masalas into this, adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, mix well. So masala is ready. Let this cool down for a while. After that we will grind this to make a thick paste of masala. Transferring this into a plate and leaving this to cool down. In another pan I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Ghee started to melt, so let's add some whole garam masalas into this. Adding 1 bay leaf, 4 pods of cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, gently roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. After that we will add basmati rice into this. Let's add this basmati rice into this. Gently mix it. Once it becomes slightly hot, we can add fresh green peas, here I have quarter cup of fresh green peas. Adding ground masala into this and gently mixing. Pouring 3 cups of water into this. Sprinkle enough salt. Let this cook for another 6 to 8 minutes in medium flame. Let this become little more dry. Rice and all cooked well, adding crumbled paneer into this. Gently mix it. Cover this up with a lid and cook this for another 2 minutes in very low flame so that paneer also will get all the flavors of masala. So our Paneer Matar Pulav is ready to serve. Finally adding some coriander leaves. Serve it hot with some onion raita. Thank you for watching. Until next video. Bye bye.